So what's for lunch? I'm so glad you asked. This is corn chowder, baked beans, and for dessert, chai tea with almond milk. So let's look at the corn chowder. It's topped with some nutritional yeast to give it a cheesy flavor, and with these bacon bits, they're made out of beans and they give it a delicious flavor. Carl has taken over this slow-cooked baked beans, and he does it in the Instant Pot, and they are just amazing. And then for dessert, we have that chai tea with almond milk and a splash of maple syrup, and that just makes a perfect dessert, especially on a cold day after you've been outside working. And I like to use those 3 trees, almond milk, in my chai tea. It just adds such a lovely flavor, and it's just almonds and water. That's it. So that's what's for lunch today.